Hello, we'll continue our journey in JavaScript. This is the second chapter of this journey. As I said in the first one, we'll take it step by step. Also, I'm new in this area and I try to clarify it, but we will clarify together how it's going on with this JavaScript. Let's proceed. We'll find out the variables. In a programming, usually a variable, it is a container for a value. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to use the var, let, and const. These are keywords to create variables. We'll use the same environment, the web browser. We'll open it, a web page, Control Shift plus J. These are commands to open it, the environment, the console, to coding in JavaScript. Let's take this example. Var, which is the short for variable. In JavaScript, it is the keywords that creates or declare a variable. Let's say favorite course. It is because it is a string. We will use the single quotes. We close the single quotes. We use the semicolon. As I told you, we can use it, the command, without semicolon, but it is the good practice to use the semicolon. Equal over here, it is the assign it operator for favorite course in our example, and we will display using the console log. Let's say favorite course, close the parenthesis, semicolon, and this it is result JavaScript as we declare like a string before above the line. We go on to our example. Var, let's say number of chapter, equal with 2, and now we display console log number of chapter, close the parenthesis, semicolon, and that will be 2 chapters in our example because we declared before. We can create a variable also with let. Let is also on keywords, and it is the second signal canon that the variable can be reassigned for a different value. We can take this example to clarify this. We can use the let code, for example, quotes, because this will be a string. JavaScript, close the single quotes, semicolon. We'll use the console log. This is the code in our case, and it is the displayed JavaScript. Now we know to create the variables. We used var, like a shortcut let, and now we'll use the const, which it is also in keywords. We'll take a look in the following example, which it is const code, let's say C, semicolon, the code we already used. We will use another const programming equal C language. It is undefined now. We'll use the console log. Open it, the parentheses, and we use the programming. Close the parentheses, semicolon, and will be displayed C language. We clear the console now, and we'll use a short example for mathematical assignment operators. Now we use the console clear. Enter, the console is cleared. Let's consider that one. Let's say that x, which it is equal with 5, and x plus equal with 2. It is the 7. It is the same concept. It is equivalent with x plus equal. It's equivalent with x equal with x plus. It is the same story like it is in a C programming. We can use also the console.log semicolon, and will be the 7. Can perform also with mathematical operation minus. Let's say I, which it is equal with 10, I minus equal with 5, and will be 5 for console log I semicolon, and will be displayed 5. Other mathematical assignment operator, it is increment operator. Increment, it is plus plus. Let's say in our example let a, which it is 14, a plus plus, semicolon, console log a, we'll see it is already increment with 1 point. It will be 15. If we want to decrement operator, we'll use minus. Let's say let b, which it is 14, b minus minus, console log be semicolon and will be 13, that it is the decrement operator. Also, the string can be concatenated with variables using the plus operator. Let's take this example with let's say favorite car equal with, I don't know, Toyota, and we want to use the console log. Open the quotes. My favorite favorite car using the plus add favorite car column, and to display my favorite car is Toyota. Thank you for watching. See you next time.